Hi everybody, it's Amber and it is so good to be filming a video again. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have something really special I want to share. I hope everybody is having a great summer so far. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I have some really fun things coming up on my channel, but right now it's going to be all about this beautiful bundle kit that I have created with my sister Bree. So we have created these deluxe Bridgerton inspired scrapbooking or junk journal, whatever you want to call them, kits. And these are more than a kit. This is like a bundle, a deluxe bundle of so many amazing things that we curated from our hearts. It was so much fun and I want to share with you today. So normally when I do these, I do them kind of like grab box style where you kind of have an idea what you're getting, but in this case, I want to show you every single item you're getting because there are so many beautiful things that we included in these bundles. And so these are going to be available in my Etsy shop and it's available as you're watching this video. The link is below. This is a limited edition and there are only so many of these. We only made 8 of these kits. And so make sure you click the link below and go over and get yours. I'm going to show you every item in this bundle here on the video. And if you hear noise, I do apologize. I believe my neighbor is doing some yard work. But anyways, this is the Bridgerton bundle. And even if you don't know what Bridgerton is or haven't watched it or anything, you will love this. It's vintage inspired. It has so many beautiful colors and elements. The main base for this is going to be this traveler's notebook. And if you are a Bridgerton fan and you watch season 3, this is very inspired by Colin's traveler's notebook that he has. And I'm sure if you're a junk journaler or a traveler's notebook lover, you notice that in the show. So we're going to get into everything. I'm going to show you every detail of this. So let's go ahead and get started and I will show you everything that comes in this beautiful Bridgerton bundle. Okay, so first I want to show you the traveler's notebook. So these vary in color slightly and I'm going to get to this in just a second. So these either come in like this darker brown, a light brown, or like a chalky black. So they're all beautiful. There's this little bead right here and it's got this beautiful closure. And we do include some charms that you can hang off of here. But this is the cute traveler's notebook and it looks like Colin's in Bridgerton. But you've got these plastic little sleeves here with a zipper pouch. You can remove these or keep them in there and then you have these little inserts and I like using these for embellishments. But you can, again, you can remove these. There's an extra band right here and that's what I'm going to use mine for. I'm going to make a junk journal to go on this band. It does come with 2 craft lined notebooks and you can decorate these. I will link some tutorials below that I've done on how to decorate these traveler's notebooks. So you can add more bands to this or whatever you want. But this is the traveler's notebook that you're going to get. And there are some handmade elements by me in this kit. These are 2 of them. So I made these beautiful stamped image tags with distress, vintage photo distress ink. And I use the Stays On ink so that way it is permanent. And this one is supposed to be reminiscent of Lady Whistledown or Penelope. It's got her little feather quills here and the silhouette. And it's got all the beautiful Bridgerton blue colors along with some of the Penelope colors in there. And again, this is just classic. You can use this as a bookmark or journaling, but I like to stick it right here on the front of the journal, just as like a little decorative piece. And then here is one that is inspired by Colin. And this is from season 3 with the hot air balloons. If you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. And this is probably my favorite one. I love hot air balloons. I use 3 different stamps here. Again, with the vintage photo and some brown Stays On ink on this one. And then of course, both of them have beautiful crinkled dyed seam binding from My Scrap Cabin. I think it adds such a vintage touch. And then I just added some twine right here and a little sheer ribbon on this one. So you can either do one on each side or stick them both up front or do whatever you want with these. So that's something handmade in the kit. So let me set this aside. The kit also includes a lot of stickers and embellishments. You're gonna get these gorgeous feather gold stickers and these travel stickers that are Very cute. It's all very just vintage and you can use it for anything, especially like a traveler's notebook travel style. So then you get a bunch of envelopes and these are themed with the colors. So you got the light blue ones and the navy blue and then some craft ones. And you get this whole page of these label stickers with gold outline. And then I did include some of the Bridgerton Happy Planner stickers. So each of the kits will vary in the design, but you each get one of the same style. So here's this beautiful one with the bees on it. Here's some with the Bridgerton quotes. And then everybody gets icon stickers. So again, these will vary in the style. And then I also included, if you're gonna make a junk journal or just need extra journaling spots, or if you want to do like a mini album, I included a bunch of these vintage sheets. And so these are vintage style music sheets and like ledgers and little letters. You'll see a lot of these are the same in each kit, but the designs will vary. And I'll just go through them quickly. But these are so fun to use. I have a tutorial with paper bags using these for a junk journal, and I'll link that below. I'll be linking a bunch of tutorials below that you can use with this kit. I love all these ledger pieces. So as you can see, I don't know how many you get, but you get like a ton. That one looks like a lady whistle down handwriting. But all these are just vintage and they're single-sided. They're white on the other side, so you can distress that side or journal on it. So you get all those pages. And each kit comes with a full sticker sheet that's either this one, and there's another vintage one that... So the bundle comes with a ton of ephemera and embellishments that we curated perfectly for the kit. So every kit comes with a beautiful package of these vintage style buttons. There's so many different designs. I am so obsessed with these. I have so many of them, but I decided to include a bunch in the kits. So we also included this cute little blue sheer bag, and there's just some cute embellishments in here. There's two of these cute little bee charms, and that is definitely Bridgerton related. So there's those two little charms, and then each kit gets two of these vintage style keys and a bunch of fake diamonds. So you can do whatever you want with those. Okay, so this also comes with some trims because I like to decorate my junk journals with trims sometimes. So it comes with these beautiful rosettes, and these are all different shades of blue. And this was in that new collection from Michaels. And it's got all the Bridgerton blues on there. So pretty. This is my sister Bree's and my favorite element from this kit. It's this gorgeous, wide, beautiful ribbon. And you can make a pocket out of this for your junk journal. You can sew this on the cover, but you get this big piece and it is so gorgeous. The camera is not doing it justice, you guys. It's got like Tiffany blue and gold and mauve and like a light pink and then like a champagne color. So it's really, really pretty. This is another one of my favorites from the kit. It's this beautiful blue velvet ribbon. And then I'm including 3 of these vintage kind of sheer fabric strips that I got from Hobby Lobby. And it's in all these beautiful like Penelope colors. And then we've got these bags that are going to be filled up with all kinds of goodies, and I'll show you what the goodies are going to be. So here's, I stamped on this one, and we add a little sticker to this craft color glassine bag, and then you get this nice paper bag, and it's going to be full of ephemera. So let me show you what you're going to get. My sister Bree and I made these wax seals, and we have a heart, hot air balloon, and a bee. So I'm going to give you a close-up. Okay, so here's the wax seals, and I put them in the little clear bag. So there's the bee, and it's in like this mustard yellow. My sister mixed the colors to get a perfect color there. And then this is the classic red color that they used back in those times, and then in Bridgerton especially, and that has hot air balloons. And then of course we've got the beautiful like blue-green color, if that will focus, and it's a heart. So we handmade these. My sister took this job on, and these came out so pretty. So you get a package of those. Every kit comes with a stamp, and it's going to be some kind of floral like this. and the designs will vary, but there's the one that comes with this one. And then I think these are very, very adorable. They look like the mirror, and that is very significant to Bridgerton. And they have like an acetate background, and they do have adhesive. So each kit comes with 2, and these designs vary. But I think that was so cute. You could put like a little image behind it. So the kit comes with 2 of those. And then I'm not going to go through each piece, but the kit also comes with tons of vintage ephemera. And this is like very curated, and we picked each piece to go with the theme. Some of it is cardstock. Some of it is just like paperweight, but there's so many pieces. It's kind of like travel and vintage and London themed. And then we got some Tim Holtz pieces. So I'm just kind of showing you a little bit here. There is so much ephemera, and let me show you. Some of these are really nice, thick and sturdy pieces. I love all this ephemera. It just keeps going and going. You get so many pieces. We are including a ton of ephemera here. So that's plenty of ephemera to make many junk journals. And each kit comes with this beautiful pack of mini flowers, which reminds my sister and I of Penelope's dresses, but it's got like the Bridgerton blues in there. And then this gorgeous strip of gems. These are like the pearlized flat back pearls, and some beautiful gems here. So now we're gonna go through my favorite part of the kit, always, is the paper. So each of the kits comes with this stationery piece. It says Lady Whistledown Society Papers, and a Dearest Reader envelope, and it's lined with Lady Whistledown right there. So that's just a cute little part of the kit. The kit comes with 10 of these beautiful, nice quality pieces of cardstock. And then it comes with 22 12 by 12 sheets of high quality scrapbook paper, and it is like patterned cardstock. None of it is the paperweight. It's all nice, thick and sturdy. Some of it is textured. So I'm going to take you through. Now each kit is going to vary in the design. A lot of these designs will be in every kit. Some of them will be in others. We use the same paper pads to curate the kits. So just some will have a slightly different design, but a lot of the designs you see here will be in the kits. So I'm going to take you through, and these are the most beautiful scrapbook pieces. They're all single-sided. These two I think are like 2 of my favorites. They look like wallpaper that would be in the Bridgerton house. So this is a very gorgeous blue. I don't know if you can make that out because it kind of looks black and white or gray on screen, but it is beautiful, like wild daisies, and it's blue. I don't know if that's the type of flower. That's what it reminds me of. So I'm just gonna take you through each sheet. And again, these designs will vary. So that is the beautiful kit. I hope that you will click the link below to my Etsy shop and go and pick one of these up. You get so many items, and it's going to be so fun to create with this. Even if you haven't seen Bridgerton, it's still going to be so much fun to create with all these amazing goodies. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this, that I'm really into the vintage style things right now. But speaking of what I'm into, so in my next video, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on a mini album, and it is really easy, and I'm gonna be offering kits, and it's a cactus theme, so perfect for summer, perfect for your summer pictures, or to give as a gift. And I don't know if you saw it on my Instagram, but we kind of gave a sneak peek of that, and it's gonna be so much fun. So again, these are limited edition, only 8 available. So I hope that you'll go over to my Etsy shop and check it out. So I have 2 more quick announcements. I'm gonna be doing Christmas in July on my channel. It's gonna start in July, but I'm not sure of the exact date yet, but there'll be a series of videos for Christmas in July. And then I think the best, most exciting news that I have to announce is I am going to be doing a craft fair series, a full-blown craft fair series this year. And it is going to start by popular demand in August. So it's not just gonna be a Christmas one. I'm gonna be doing all kinds of different projects, and I'm really excited. I really appreciate all of you inspiring me and kind of motivating me to get in my craft room. It's really easy to get sucked into work and just kind of the tasks of every day and not be very creative. And I've been feeling that this year. I know a lot of you have reached out and said that you are too. So I hope that we can help inspire each other, get back in our craft rooms, get some supplies out. What got me going was doing some stamping and playing with all my beautiful seam binding and just putting these kits together. That really inspires me. So I cannot wait. I'm so excited for Christmas in July and for my craft fair series. And I hope that you'll catch that tutorial on the cactus mini album in my next video. The link is below for these beautiful kits. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. I missed you. Bye.